Hello my friend, you is in the channel The Knitting Room. Welcome. Today I want to introduce you a new knitting pattern. This is my original pattern. I made this pattern myself. The pattern is very dense, it is not blown by the wind, it does not stretch much. Perfect for knitting a warm coat and scarf. And I plan to tie a bag with such a pattern. This pattern is the same on both sides and is very easy to knit. All loops are knitted with purl loops. Knit two loops together, but discard only one. Two loops knit together. But discard only one. Knit together, but discard only one. So continue to the end of the row. Two together, discard only one. Two together, discard only one. Knit two loops together and discard only one. Two together and discard only one. Two together and discard only one. Turn the knitting over and knit in the same way purl loops. And continue in the same way. Two purl loops together, but drop only one. Two purl loops together, but drop only one. And continue to the end of the row. All row is similar and very easy. I will be enjoying if you try my new pattern, my original pattern, and I wait a comment and subscribe in my channel. See you soon. Goodbye.